Stop typing everything out. Use drop-down lists instead. Select the column. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Choose List. Reference the list from a source in another tab. Click the arrow on the right to start filling in data. Like and follow for daily tips. This is your sign to stop avoiding VLOOKUP. Type in VLOOKUP. Choose the value to look up. Select a range that follows these two rules. 1. Lookup value is in the leftmost column. 2. Result is in any column to the right. Enter the column number of the result. Type in false for an exact search of the lookup value. Change the name and watch the results adjust automatically. Repeat the process to VLOOKUP the birthday. Pause now if you want to try it out for yourself first. Change the name again and watch the results adjust automatically. Like and follow for daily tips. Make your own QR codes in Google Sheets. Type in this formula. Copy the formula down for the rest of the QR codes. Go to your phone's camera app to test the QR codes. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't remove blank rows manually. Select all of the data. Press Ctrl-G. Go to Special. Choose Blanks. Press Ctrl-. Choose Entire Row. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop manually creating pivot tables. Instead, use the Pivot By function. Select the row fields. Then select the column fields. Choose the values you want to calculate. Type in a function, like sum. Now you have a dynamic pivot table. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't highlight the active row by hand. Instead, select all of the data. Go to Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Select Use a Formula and enter this code. Change the format. Right-click the Worksheet tab and select View Code. Change General to Worksheet. Type in this code. Go back to Excel. Now the active row automatically highlights. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't type out weekdays anymore. Use this formula to convert dates to weekdays. Double-click to fill the formula down. Change the date and watch the weekday automatically update. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop checking boxes in Excel. There's a better way to do this. Select the cells. Go to the Insert tab. Select Checkbox. Click inside the box to check it. Like and follow for daily tips. Select the month cell. Then go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. Select List and type in every month. Click the new drop-down to select January. Type in the year below the month. At the top of the calendar, type in this formula. In the first cell of the calendar, type in this formula. Select the calendar dates. Go to the Home tab. Select Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Enter this formula. Change the format to white font. Now you have a fully functional and dynamic calendar. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't move columns over with the spacebar. Instead, select the column. Right-click and go to Format Cells. Select Custom and enter the code @**:*. Now the colon locks on the right. No matter how much you stretch the column, like and follow for daily tips. Stop drawing plots by hand. Instead, type in =py and press Tab to enter Python mode. Define the data frame by typing in df sales equals and selecting the data. Press Ctrl-Enter to commit the code. In another cell, press Ctrl-Alt-Shift and P to enter Python mode. Enter this code. Press Ctrl-Enter to commit the code. Change from Python object to Excel value. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't enter dates and times manually. Press Ctrl-semicolon for the current date. Ctrl-Shift-semicolon for the current time. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't grade like this. Instead, enter this formula. Choose the grade to look up. Select the column of grades. Press F4 to lock the range. Select the adjacent letters column. Press F4 again. Drag the formula down. Like and follow for daily tips. 3 ways to number rows in Excel. Type in the first couple of numbers and drag down. Enter a range using the name box. Type =row B1. Press Ctrl-Enter. Type =sequence 10,000. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't add up each category manually. Instead, use this formula. Select the row fields. Select the adjacent values column. Type in sum. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop writing your signature in Excel. Instead, go to the Insert tab. Click Pictures and choose this device. Select an image of your signature. Go to Color and choose Set Transparent Color. Click anywhere in the background. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop plotting data like this. Instead, type in this formula. Change the font to Playbill. Copy the formula down as necessary. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop numbering rows like this. Instead, press Alt-HFIS. Choose Columns. Change the stop value to any large number. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop stretching out rows and columns. Instead, press Ctrl-A. Press Alt-HOI to auto-fit the columns. Press Alt-HOA to auto-fit the rows. Like and follow for daily tips. Attention Excel newbies. Go to the Help tab. Click Show Training. Scroll down to take a tour. Download the template. Click Let's Go. Each tab is a new practice sheet. Use these to quickly learn Excel. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't delete unwanted characters like this. Instead, go to View Code. Right-click Sheet 1. Insert a new module. Enter this code. Screenshot in 3, 2, 1. Screenshot now. Go back to Excel. Enter this formula. Like and follow for daily tips.